house. Tree needs to be pruned. One of the next door neighbor's house. Same looking tree. Cactus. Okay. You have an RV gate on this side, an RV gate on the other side matching. Nothing for landscaping on the outside really. You have a total of 7 windows in the entire house right now that need to be replaced. You have how many doors, Mary?
6 exterior.
6 exterior doors. The garage doors are decent and the openers look to be decent. Has tile in the garage because he obviously had a wheelchair, so it's wheelchair accessible. Going in here, you have the laundry room. As you come off the garage, you have a bedroom that has a large walk-in closet on this side and a walk-in closet on this side. Ceiling slopes down on this part of the house, so this was part of the add-on. You come in here, this was the master bath. Shower, tub, homemade, and a door going out to the pool area. You have this add-on slope here that comes down, which is another family roomish thing. You have the front door there, the window. Same tile through the whole thing, so all the tile really needs to be, the whole thing needs to be pulled out. Looking at the kitchen counters and cabinets, and everything needs to go. It just needs to go down to the studs. Another bathroom in here that doesn't even matter. It needs to be tore out. It's tile. Another bedroom in here. Another kitchenette area here. And then another bedroom in here. Another bedroom in here, and then another door going to the outside. And then another bathroom. Needs to be done. Window. You have the beam that comes across here that was probably the original house. Low ceiling in through this hallway, but it could be raised up to 8 foot through here because the kitchen is 8 foot ceilings through here, and then past the kitchen is where you get the sloped ceiling that's going down. We'll go outside real quick, give you a view of, oops. There, turns the opposite way. Anyway, you have a pool. All this stuff has to come out, or should come out. You have some lean-tos out here, some covered parking, I'd suggest, and then this built-in area here, maybe tearing this out or cleaning it up. That's debatable. This whole thing, the other RV gate coming there, and then just a regular gate coming through there. Air conditioner needs to be redone. So 2 windows on this side, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just 1 window on in the front of the house is all, Mary? Wow. So then you got your pool, and the pool has some water features that dump down. Actually is a fairly new pool. Looks like hadn't been put in that long ago. They had some type of animals in here, horses or goats or something that they had. A lot of concrete to work with. Maybe skim coat some of this stuff up, clean it up, and you'd have a lot of pad. Maybe even adding a casita to the place might be a good option to think about. So, Mary,
Yeah.
your thoughts?
I think it takes quite a bit of money, but I think it's a good investment. It is.
What do you think of the area?
The area is being revitalized.
Yep. So I think
what makes it the size of the lot and the fact that, you know, the area is getting improved, I think makes it a good investment.
okay. All right. Seen everything you need to see?
Yeah.
Okay. The
It's a lot of work, but it's not a total dump.
Yeah, and then the neighbors' houses, you can see that some of them have started being vitalized. You get this one on the corner, or revitalized one in the corner, been done. This one's been done.
That's not a bad house. They just got that damn RV
Yep.
there.
Yep, they got one across the street and then another one across the street, and then it looks like it's starting this way and then going down the street that way. All right.